Watch this tutorial to make the easiest ice cream ever. In a bowl, pour 1/2 cup milk, 1/2 cup cream, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract, and 1/4 cup sugar. Mix until incorporated. Put the mixture aside for now. Grab a cup or small bowl. Now pull a small Ziploc bag around a cup or bowl. This makes it easier to pour the mixture in. Then pour your mixture into the bag. The cup can help keep the bag in place while you pour. You might need help otherwise. Now seal the bag and push the air out, then set aside until the next step. In a large Ziploc bag, add a layer of ice. Readjust the bag. Then add the bag with the ice cream mixture. Add some salt on top of the ice and add an additional layer of ice and salt. Now seal the large bag. Then make sure that it's airtight. We placed the large bag on top of a towel and then rolled it inside a towel to keep our hands from freezing. Now's the fun part. Shake your bag to freeze the ice cream. Shake for around 5 minutes, but you can shake for longer or shorter to get a consistency you want. We shook it for around 5 minutes, but you can always go longer. Now take your little bag outside of the ice bag. Here's a sneak peek of the ice cream. You can pour or scoop the ice cream into a serving bowl. I waited a little too long while I was filming, so the ice cream started melting, but as long as you eat right away or freeze for later, it won't melt. You can add toppings or eat it plain. Basically, add whatever you like on your ice cream. This is a perfect summer treat, or really whenever you want something sweet. Enjoy and stay tuned for our next video.